guys, and welcome back to Contrary Clary Vlogs. For my first vlog of 2021, lockdown's finally easing and we're so glad to be going out on our first family day out to Paultons Park. We can't wait to check out the new area, Tornado Springs, and go on the new roller coaster. We haven't been since Luke was 5 years old and now he's almost 8 years old, and we've not been with Sean since he was only 2. But he went on his own, well, he went with the school more recently. So it's a nice day. It's rather cold, a bit colder than we had last April. I don't know, it was such a nice, the first lockdown, but it's all been a little bit downhill since. Next time we come here, we might be going to Southampton Docks. That might be a little bit of a clue of the vlog content to come on this channel. But we have to wait and see what Disney are getting up to. Anyway, I will check back in with you when we get there. Oh, we finally made it. Gosh, that was a bit of a traffic jam and a half. In fact, it's still continuing. So it's a bit of a thumbs down so far, because we never had anything like this at any of the Maryland parks. But maybe we're just unlucky with the time we were arriving. Should have arrived earlier. Hopefully we'll be getting in soon. The signs for the new area, Tornado Springs. Looking forward to checking out those new rides. And Sean, do you know why it's Route 83?
Isn't that the longest one?
No.
That goes right across America?
Any other ideas what the 80... Nothing to do with the route. Any ideas what 83 could signify in relation to Paultons Park?
Was it the first, when it first opened?
Yeah, 1983 was when it first opened. And I found that out because I watched the Park Worldwide's vlog and I spoiled myself a bit. Sean didn't do that, he's a good boy. And look, there's the sign for Peppa Pig World. Yay!
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
So what happened when you came your school trip, Sean?
We went into like a classroom bit and they showed us a model of that ride there, saying that it was going to be
the new
their
storm
potential.
chaser.
Well, we already know it has been, but they said it was going to potentially be their next roller coaster.
Wow!
And that was before it was announced to the public.
I was just telling Sean he should have done a YouTube video about that at the time. It's amazing. Did you get your hands wet? Is it not a bit cold to be getting wet? Our first stop's off to get Luke's queue assist pass because, as I've mentioned on my vlogs before, Luke's autistic and globally delayed, so I will show you how that works at this park. So you get the queue assist pass from the first aid, which is on Show Street. So you come in and then you just turn left. And here they just ask you to give evidence of diagnosis. So I've just got a copy of our NHS letter on my phone. So hopefully that will work. So we sorted out our queue assist pass. Look, do you want to show us your wristband? Show us your special band.
Where is it?
So Luke's been very good today. Normally he's a little bit funny about wristbands, but he's put it on, although it's getting dragged away by his shirt. There we go. And then we're going to be, so it's basically like they have at the Maryland parks, where you get a time, when you present at your first ride, you get a time that then you can't ride the next one until. But there's just one caveat, which seems to be that you can only ride most of the rides once. But obviously we might queue if we want to go on them again, because Luke can queue for a little bit of time, just depends. Looks like, oh gosh, Storm Chaser's already 45 minutes, so we're going to do that first, but then I guess we'll be locked out for 45 minutes. But look at the theming of this new area, it's really cool.
I know. Yeah, I think that might be a Victorian carousel.
Oh, it is. It's a lovely carousel.
Oh, it's an upstairs with benches.
Wow, look, do you like this? Wow. What do you reckon? You're going to go in that?
With Peppa Pig in a minute.
See Peppa Pig later, look. Yeah, there's a little train. No, it's lovely the way they've rethemed this area. Looks totally different. Oh, and is that just a little play area bit? That's really lovely. Junkyard Junction. Yeah, we can play there when we're waiting to go on the next ride, look. Oh, there's another little play area over there. This is lovely. Wow, Storm Chaser was great. I really loved it. What did you think, Sean?
I thought it was good.
And as you can see, Sean's sporting his chest strap with his action camera. Finally getting the action camera some use. He got it for his 8th birthday and he's now nearly 11. So yeah, so hopefully we'll be able to insert some fun footage from the ride. Luke claimed he didn't like it. Luke usually is a thrill seeker, but I think maybe during lockdown he's lost his bottle a bit. I'm sure he'll get back into it, but he's asked to come to Peppa Pig, so we have done that. So, oh look, they're out to wave. Look, did you see they're over to wave at you? Oh, sorry. I do love the theming of this area too. I thought we were a bit beyond it now, but when you have a globally delayed child, things seem to last a little longer. Which one do you fancy, Luke? What time is, sorry Peter, what time can we go on our next ride?
I think we just have to queue for this next one, aren't we?
Well, just tell me what time.
Oh, how about Windy Castle?
10:50.
Time is...
Not be far.
Oh, it's already 11:04, so...
Oh, right.
I think we got off for that one.
Do you want to go on the balloons, or...?
What one do you want to go on, Luke?
Do you want to go on Windy Castle? I'm sure Mummy does. Oh look, it's natural. The roof.
Yeah, I know, grassy roof. Like the Australian Houses of Parliament. Did you know that? Hmm?
The upside down. Oh well, this is good.
Oh, Mr. Potato.
That big swinging ride looks good.
Sean said no.
What? Why not?
No.
Sean, it's really just like that one. I can't think what that one was called at Thorpe Park that we went on last time.
I like it.
Well, you
Yes.
didn't mind
Please.
it.
Starts of easy.
should we sing? Follow the rainbow road. Follow, 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 follow the rainbow road. It's cool, isn't it? Oh, I think, oh, cool. You're going to go through the tunnel? Ready? Go through and I'll catch you at the other end. Sorry. Oh, you were too quick for me. I didn't get round in time. You're going to do it again? Okay. Ready, steady. Yay, I caught. Oh, you're going backwards? There's a fire? Oh my goodness. Oh, a spider?
A spider?
I think it's just an imaginary one, don't worry.
Okay, wait, come on.
I think it's just a bit of grass, look. Not a spider. Why don't you go on this nice slide, look? A nice slide here. Oh, another tunnel. You going through that one? Yeah, go the other. Oh no, not up the slide, look. Oh, you're going on the grass slide? That's not a very good slide, is it? Are you excited to finally be out the house, look? So Luke decided to go on the Queen's Flying Coach ride, so we're just waiting to get on. And look, they've got the flag at half-mast. You know why the flag is at half-mast? It's because the Queen's husband died, look. Isn't that sad?
Oh. Queen, welcome to my castle.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Would you like a little tour?
Oh, we would, wouldn't we?
Then off we go.
Off we go. We're very high, but it's fun. We're not as high as we were on the roller coaster, though. I think you like that roller coaster. Were you just pretending? It's nice that we're having some Mummy and Luke time, isn't it? Yeah, that's the train track. Should we go on that? Maybe later. Right, Mummy, stop filming a minute. Say bye for now.
Bye, I'm out.
Look, what are we queuing up to go into? What's it called?
A house.
Whose house?
Peppa.
Peppa Pig's house. Wow. Oh, look. What are they eating, look?
George, what would you like to do in the park?
Dinosaur. George, they don't have dinosaurs.
Are they making pancakes?
Well, actually,
You want to go on the helicopter? Okay. Be warned, the helicopter is a long wait and they only let on one QSS per rotation. But we finally got on. You flying the helicopter? Wow.
the helicopter.
And meanwhile, Daddy and Sean went on Cyclonator. And what was it like?
It was pretty bad.
So Sean claimed to be scared before he got on it.
Mr. Rabbit.
Yeah, Mr. Rabbit.
Rabbi.
And we went in their house, didn't we?
No. Look, I hear.
Oh, and he actually wants to go on the George Dinosaur, but I'm not sure how that's going to work.
Yeah, that'll be alright. We'll just hold on.
No.
No, but then do I go on the next one? Would I?
Yeah.
No. Him.
Yeah.
A bit.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Grandpa.
Grandpa Pig.
How many rotations?
Say it better.
There's Peppa, yeah, she's at the top of the balloon ride. Taking out the Peppa penguins. Aren't they cute? God, they're fast moving in the water, aren't they? I'm used to seeing them on land a bit more. They're very slow. Now they're doing the cute waddling thing.
Yeah, look at how they follow her.
A little bit of Westlife there from Sean. So my channel can take you to places that Theme Park Worldwide even can't go. Sean's going to take the action camera into Junkyard Junction and get you some POVs of the new play area. So off you go, Sean. And this is the Cyclonator. If you wondered where Sean and Peter had gone, well, Luke and I were in Peppa Pig. They were on this. I'm hoping I get a chance. I don't know, usually I don't like that kind of thing, but I might give it a go. We're going to go and look at the roller coaster in the Lost Kingdom, look. The one that makes you feel like you're flying. Look at all this, all the beautiful gardens. It's definitely the prettiest theme park in the UK. You disagree? Okay, maybe Alton Towers, but it's way prettier than Chessington or Thorpe Park, which are really not really themed much at all.
Chessington's themed.
Okay, Chessington's a bit better. I'm not keen on Thorpe Park's theming it. Well, no, actually, that's a lie. The part around Swarm is pretty cool.
Right at all.
Plus, that's my favourite ride. Look at all these topiaries. Some deer and some rabbits. Really cool. Some foxes. Hard to tell what those ones are. Hedgehogs.
Yeah. Oh, those are hedgehogs. That's
Badger maybe.
Oh yeah, badgers. Oh, looks like some of these flowers have been dying because they haven't been cared for.
No, it's just that they don't last long. Oh look, those ones are beautiful. They're starting to go though.
Oh,
This way, look.
Beautiful flowers. Oh, look at him. Come on. Oh, that's a Snakes and Ladders garden.
Look, is this a Shrek reference? Oh, I
Where?
thought it was the outhouse in the Shrek movie.
Oh.
What is
The
that?
outhouse toilet. Oh, look, it's snakes and ladders.
Look at the elephant, look. Did you see the elephant? And the baby? Oh, it's Dumbo and his mummy.
Oh, I think this is the zoo part we're in now.
This is just beautiful.
What is that?
It says Jungle Falls Garden
Oh,
because it's got some jungle characters in the topiary. It's like a different park on this side. It's so quiet. I think everybody is over in Tornado Springs and Peppa Pig. Oh wow, look at those birds. Wow, those are a vibrant colour.
I know.
Tell that bird just
Not sure what type those are. Have a look, does it tell us?
let's go to roller coaster again.
what?
Yes, Scarlet Ibis. Oh, I've never seen one like that before. They're amazing. Here's the one we were looking for. Love the theming of this area as well, it's really cool. So Sean and I have just ridden Velociraptor, which is a backwards one. It was making us think of Animal Kingdom, wasn't it, Sean?
Yeah.
Not quite, it's not quite as thrilling as Expedition Everest, but it was good. Sean, we got the second row, so
Yeah.
hopefully Sean's action camera footage will be pretty cool. Meanwhile, Daddy and Luke just stayed at the park. It's funny because Luke loves the roller coasters when he gets on, but I don't know, it's just a lot for him because he's been stuck in the house so much recently, I guess.
Oh, it's lost the sticker.
Oh, never mind. Oh, Daddy can't make me go on the edge. We came when Sean was 2 and I was expecting Luke. I made for Peter go on like the only thrilling rides that were here at the time, which were the Edge and that drop tower. And yeah, it was to get the money's worth because that's just how I roll.
And this was also.
I don't remember this being here. Daddy didn't go on this. Well, maybe. Okay, maybe this was here, but I don't remember it.
I think we're waiting for that fence.
Maybe Sean said, no, I'm too worried about my daddy.
Yeah, that's the one. This is the one. Oh, my glasses. More than that off? I guess so. Wait, did I? Oh. Oh, wow, look at the view. Oh, look at the cars. Oh, it has this little relax and die! 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 Relax. Come on, we're braking, you know. Die! Relax.
Check out that big dinosaur. So we managed to get Luke on Velociraptor and he liked it. He was a bit worried we'd gone the wrong way at first though. And now we're finally going to have some lunch. Again, I'm going to take you somewhere that Theme Park Worldwide didn't, so yet more exclusives to my channel. We're going to go and get lunch at the new diner in Tornado Springs. So I will take you in. Obviously you can't eat in at the moment, but I'll take you in while I go and order and show you the theming, because I'm sure it's pretty cool based on what it was like outside. Really impressive. So we managed to get a table right on the patio at the restaurant, Route 83 Diner. So I'm just going to head in to order. Hello. Yes.
Do you have any allergies?
No.
Okay. If you just go through to the right, the self-service.
Okay, great, thank you. Oh, this looks good. What do we here? Oh, look at all the theming. We've got like the old school soda glasses, 10-pin bowling balls. It's going to have some lovely booths and stuff. Check out the desserts, everybody. So it wasn't the cheapest, but it looks good. Oh, that's the kids cheeseburger, and then I've got the grown-up bacon cheeseburger. Looks nice. I like the curly fries. I actually meant to get topped curly fries, but I don't know, I got stressed when I was in there and forgot. And of course my first Pepsi Max for weeks. So, cheers. Oh, that was good. So the verdict wasn't too positive, to be honest. It was, the burgers were rather cold, but the chicken tenders were lovely, but they're southern fried, so not good for fuss eaters. Luke obviously didn't touch them. Well, no, that's not true. We got him to put a little bit in his mouth, and he may have eaten the chicken, but he's incredibly fussy and only eats like bird's eye chicken nuggets. He's terrible. So it was a bit of progress, but yeah, it was a lot of money for what it was. However, I do think the desserts looked good, so maybe once it opens up properly, it'd be nice to nip in there to sit in the booth and eat a dessert. Check out this theme in the cow. Yeah. And then up here's the sheep. Sheep's up on the roof of the toilet. Where have my boys gone? So I saw the sign for lost children earlier, but I don't know about lost mummies when I was doing that. Looking at those features a minute ago, I lost the boys. Oh, they finally come back. Did you find your lost mummy? How far did you get before you realised she was lost?
I realised
With no mobile phone on her. You gonna wave to me, look. Wave. Wave to me.
He needs to hold on.
Right, okay, don't let go.
Hi.
Hi. I don't think Daddy's going on it at all.
Yeah, he's there.
Oh, he has? No, I think he's just waiting for Luke to finish. I think he realised he'd be a bit of a big galoot going around one of them. Ah, look, hold on. Ah. spoke earlier when I saw that sign that said please don't feed the ducks. So I thought who's going to feed those? But now I realise there are some real ducks coming as well. Look! Oh! I didn't realise I was going to get a mouthful of water.
They're eating cake.
What do you fancy being
George is dressed as a knight.
Oh look, they're jumping up and down.
They're jumping in muddy puddles. Look, they're jumping in muddy puddles. Yeah.
It's the high jolly.
The Queen likes to jump in muddy puddles too.
Does she?
But they are wearing their boots.
Well, I think this is new last time we were here.
Look! Look!
Oh wow, now George is dressed as a pirate.
Look!
Oh, he's sleeping on his boat. Oh, we have to be quiet. Yeah, we have to be... Shh. Do that again, look. What you have to do. Oh.
Was this ride good?
Good.
Good.
I don't.
You love it. Hold on.
Oh man, I'm ready to regret this. Oh man.
Whoa!
No, it's awful. Look at them. Look at them smiling. Oh my god. Right, I think that's enough. That's enough. More. Look, how do you like this? This is what they did when you were in my tummy. Help me. So who would have thought there was a thrill ride in Peppa Pig Land?
Oh, I'm loving
This is what they did to me when I was expecting Luke. Daddy and Sean gave up on me.
Look like this.
Oh my god, please stop.
No! No!
It's good exercise.
No!
Do you think they added this sound? This is sound kind of crispy. To make
Yes.
it sound like a rusty old track.
Yes. Oh, look at the naughty. What would we say those are? What are they, Daddy, would you say? Are they squirrels? I thought beavers, yeah. Oh, I like the animatronic crows. The scarecrow's not working too well then, though, is it? Actually wishing I'd tried here for lunch. Looks good. Nice burritos. Oh no, have I lost my boys again? Oh, I found them. They keep trying to lose me. So I never did get to go in the Cyclonator. It was too long a queue. We couldn't convince Luke to do it, so we could skip it. But we went on Storm Chaser once more. But let me tell you guys, that is a different ride backwards. Because it spins, but not that much, and so we ended up backwards nearly the whole way round. And I think after the Windy Castle saga, I'm feeling a bit blah. So we'll end the day on that note. It's been a good day. I don't know, it's busy, but it's not been too bad. And at least the weather stayed dry. It's been nice to be out. so we're still a little restricted. So I will end it on that, guys, and I'm going to try and get back to a weekly uploading schedule, although some of it might be footage from last year that I never got around to uploading, or even maybe I'll finish my Disney series from our 2018 trip. So I hope you guys will join for that, so please don't forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. Thanks for watching and bye for now.